Hello friend, welcome to Study Technique. Current section is based on weekly current affair from September 1 to September 7. Question number 1. Name of the state which will establish first international women's trade center in India. And your answer is option number C. Kerala. Question number 2. Name of the mobile app launched by the CISF to reach the pensioners and to bring them on the digital platform. And the answer is option number D. Pensioners Corners. And if you're talking to the what is the full form of CISF, it is Central Industrial Security Force. Question number 3. Which of the ministries has recently launched Unlock 4 guideline? And the answer is option number C. Home Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs. And if you're talking about the what is the Unlock 4 guideline, it is just related to the guideline for containment zone related to COVID-19. Question number 4. Which state government has launched Major Dhyanchand Vidyapit Yojana? And if you're checking the answer, your answer is option number A. Uttar Pradesh. And if you're talking what is the Vidyapit Yojana, it is related to the 19 major player of the state getting road connectivity to their house. Okay. Question number 5. The first ever ship landing is going to held on. And the answer is option number B. Gujarat, largest coastline of India. And the question number 6. India and which nation have become the joint winners of FIDE online chess Olympiad? And if you checking to the answer, your answer is option number A. Russia. Question number 7. Name of the person who won Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix 2020. And in all times it is also Lewis Hamilton. Option number A. Question number 8. Recently India withdrew from which military joint exercise? And if you checking the options, it is the option number D. Kavach, which was going to held on with Russia. Question number 9. According to latest estimate of GDP, the India economy has experienced how many points in the first quarter of April to June? And if you checking the option, your answer is minus 23.9%. Question number 10. Name the former Indian president who passed away recently. And it is option number C. Pranab Mukherjee, 13th president of India. Question number 11. As announced made by Narendra Modi, which of the following month will observed as Nutrition Month 2020? And your answer is September. And unfortunately it is missed from the slides, but it is September. Question number 12. World's largest solar trees developed to establish in which state? And if checking the option, your answer is option number D. West Bengal. Question number 13. Who among the following is elected as the chairman of Press Trust of India? And your answer is option number A. Abhay Sarkar. Abhay Sarkar is appointed as the chairman of Press Trust of India. Question number 14. Name of the person whose term has been extended to 6 months as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Tax. And your answer is option number C. Pramod Chandra Modi. Question number 15. Name of the person who will head the 3-member committee which has been set up to review the effective utilization of the Armed Force Headquarters Civil Service Cadre. And you checking the option, your answer is option number A. LT Jain Shetkar. Question number 16. Who had known as grandmother of cardiology passed away recently? And your answer is option number B. It's Dr. S. Padmavati was known as the grandmother of cardiology. Question number 17. Who among the following is taken charge as the MD of Defence Shipbuilder Hindustan Shipyard Ltd at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh? And your answer is option number B. Hemant Khaitri. Question number 18. Name of the free of cost mobile scanner recently launched by IIT Bombay. And your answer is option number B. Yes, Khan is the right answer. Question 19. Name of the state which recently launched a campaign named Gandagi Bharat Chodo. And your answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 20. Who among the following is the first woman DG of the Bureau of Civil Aviation of Security? And your answer is option number A. It's Usha Pari. Question number 21. What is the rank of India in Global Innovatives Index? And you checking the answer. Your option is option number D, 48th. India top to 4th place. Which union territory is included in One Nation card? And your answer is option number B, Ladakh. And Lieutenant General of Ladakh is Radhakrishna Murmu. Question 23. Who is appointed as the new CEO of Railway Board? And your answer is option number B, it's VK Yadav. Question number 24. Name of the person whose appointment is confirmed as MD and CEO of Punjab and Sindhi Bank. And it is answer is option number C, it's C Krishna. Name of the private sector bank recently launched a policy named Home Mustaf. And the private sector bank is option number A, it's ICICI Bank. And question number 26. Who is appointed as CEO of South Indian Bank? And your answer is option number C, it's Murali Ramakrishnan. Question number 27. Name of India Grandmaster who recently won the prestigious 48th Online World Open Chess. And your answer is option number D, it's P. Inia. Question 28. Which of the following country hold the G20 Foreign Ministries 2020? And your answer is option number D, it's Saudi Arabia. Question number 29. Name of the person who recently appointed as the next ambassador of India to Croatia. And it is answer is option number B, it's Rajkumar Srivastava. Question number 30. Indira Navy, a maritime exercise, is going to held on between India and it's Russia. Question 31. The 5th BRICS Cultural Ministers meeting is going to held on, and the answer is option number B, it's Russia. Question number 32. Name of the mobile app launched by Punjab government to save environment. And your answer is option number C, it's iRakhwali. Question 33. Name of the cricketer who has become the first cricketer ambassador for HBO Top, one of the sports group band. And the answer is option number B, Dwayne Bravo from West Indies. Question number 34. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance? And your answer is option number D, Ayushman Khurrana. So friends, the current section is the end with the such question number 34. And if you like the videos, and mostly share it to your friends, and made likes, and made subscribe to the channel. And thank you. Video is going to wind up.